Education Minister, Madan, my colleagues in the cabinet, our respected MLAs, our Commissioner and Secretary Education, Director, and all the officials of the Education Department, the President, the Secretary, and all the office bearers of the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body and the Meghalaya 4th Teachers Association, and most importantly, all my dear teachers who have come from different parts of the state to be a part of this wonderful program that you have all organized. Let me start with a joke. And maybe some of you have already heard this joke. It's very popular. But I feel it's very apt for today's program. It's one of the favorite jokes of our Honorable Speaker, Mr. Thomas Sangma. So the joke goes like this, that there was one education minister, not Malakman Ribui, one of somebody else. So this education minister went to a school, and in the school, the teacher was there. As soon as the education minister came in, the teacher was teaching the class. But he looked at the minister with a bit of angry eyes. And then he continued his teaching. The minister said, please continue teaching. So he continued teaching. He told the children, my dear students, this is the Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra originates from the Bay of Bengal. And it originates and flows from the Bay of Bengal up towards Assam. Then from Assam, it again flows up towards Arunachal. And from Arunachal, it flows into China. So the education minister was very upset. He called the teacher to his side. He said, what are you doing? What are you trying to teach the students? You're telling the completely opposite thing. That the Brahmaputra flows from the Bay of Bengal and goes up to China. This is wrong. So the teacher told the minister, as soon as my salary is enhanced, Brahmaputra will flow from China to Bay of Bengal. So like that, before December 2025, you see, Bapestone also, Marumbui also, and Conrad Sangma also were very ugly people. Very, very ugly people. But today, the chairman said, sir, you're looking very handsome. I must take this opportunity to really express my sincere gratitude to all of you. Very rarely does it happen, for politicians especially, that we are honored and we are thanked for whatever we do. But as Christians, we always believe that kindness and gratitude is something that should be part of what we are as human beings. And I'm so happy that today the SSA Association as well as the Fort Teachers Association, in thousands, I was surprised to see the number of teachers out here. Really surprised. So on behalf of my entire cabinet, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for organizing this wonderful program. And I would like our cabinet colleagues to please give a round of applause for our teachers who have organized this wonderful program. Thank you so much. But while I say that, what we are experiencing today and how we have reached here today, as has been seen in the video clip that we just saw, has been a very long and difficult journey. You have been through a lot. You have sacrificed a lot. You have gone through a lot of pain, and you have gone through a lot of struggle. I'm only happy that I could be part of this journey with you from 2016, when I was a member of parliament, till the point today when we are actually able to come to some kind of a solution to ensure that the service that is given by our teachers is recognized. The dignity that you deserve is given. The financial stability that your family and individually at your level that you deserve is being given. And while there are many issues that could still be there in the future, but I'm happy to see that we have all worked together to make this day a possibility. And therefore, I would like to thank God Almighty, for we are all instruments in His hand. We have all our responsibilities given to us by Him. Whether it is your president, whether it's any of the teachers, whether it's the education minister, deputy chief minister, all the officials, there is a purpose for each one of us. And it is God's plan that has made all of this possible. I also would like to thank the education department. This would not have been possible without the hard work put in by the ministers concerned and the officials concerned. The problem that was in front of us was very complex, and hence past governments had difficulty in finding a solution. But it is the will, it is the decision, the desire to find a solution, and the commitment and consistency to continue in spite of all odds has made today a possibility. I also thank your association, your presidents, your secretaries, the members,